So it's September 2024, and you're just looking for the easiest and fastest way to fully jailbreak your device 100% free. So you can then go ahead and access your favorite streaming applications. Doesn't matter if you're interested in the latest movies, TV shows, live TV, pay-per-view, sports, all of that content can be accessed just by following the process in this video. Now to start the process, just go to the left where it says find the magnifying glass. Let's click on that. Go down into search, and here we want to type in the word downloader. Let's type that in. Here we are. Now this is a great application which is a built-in browser, allows you to access different sites on the internet, but it also allows you to download and install application files, your APK files. So install that. Now before you open it, we have to make just one quick change to give this application the correct permissions so we can install applications through it. Now to do that, let's press the home key. Let's now go over to the settings, go down to where it says MiFi TV. Go to developer options. Now, if you can't see this on your device, the developer options, all you have to do is go over to about. Let's press the select button there. And where you can see your device type, we can see I'm doing mine on my Fire TV Cube, but for you, it may say Firestick or Fire TV. Just press the select button here 7 times. 1, 2, and you can see at the bottom on mine, it says, no need, you are already a developer. On your device, if you're doing this for the first time, after 7 clicks, you'll get the message that you're now a developer. Once you see that message, you can now press back on the remote and you'll then see the developer options. I can now go into that, and what we're looking for where it says install unknown applications. Let's press the select button there. And we're now looking for downloader. We can see by default it's set to off. I can press the select button there once, and that then turns the option to on. And this again just means that you can now download applications through downloader and install them onto your device. Once you've confirmed that, let's now open up downloader. Now in the main box here, you can enter in any URL, any web address, but you can also enter in shortcodes, which are like quick codes, allowing you to access websites without typing in a long URL. Now I've created a custom shortcode, which will take you directly to my website, onto that page, which has a direct link to the latest version of that custom application store. And as this is a dynamic link, it doesn't matter if you're watching this video in July 2024 or December 2025, this code will always take you to the latest version of that page. And that code is just 729611. Let's type that in and click on go. Here we are. So first we see some step-by-step instructions, but we can scroll down. You have the install guide. Keep scrolling down. Underneath all of that, we should have a link to this custom application store. Just underneath all of this, we have the link here. So this will allow you to fully load any device just by installing it. So let's click on that. We can now scroll down, and you want to click on this green download button here. And this will automatically download the latest version directly onto your device. Let's give that a second. Now, if you see any kind of errors here, it could be that your ISP is blocking the connection. To fix that, I do recommend using a VPN, which will then allow you to bypass those restrictions from your ISP or from your internet service provider. And I will share the VPN that I personally recommend at the end of this video. I can now click on install. That's now all done. Now, before we open up this custom application store, we have to once again give this store the correct permissions, so we can then go ahead and download and install applications through this custom application store. Now to do that, I can click on done. Let's now press the home key. Let's once again go back into the settings. Go back into where it says MiFi TV. Let's click on that. Let's click on the developer options. Let's go back to install unknown apps. Keep scrolling down. And where you see the custom application store is set to off, just press the select button once, and that's now set to on. This again means that we can now download applications through this custom application store and then go ahead and install them. Once you've done that, you can now press the home key. We can now navigate to the left to go to our app library. And always the most recent application that you install will be at the bottom of the list. And here we can see the new custom application store. Let's open that up. Now, as you guys can probably appreciate, streaming laws are different depending on where you are in the world. So certain countries, certain applications may be suitable, whereas in other countries those applications may not be allowed. So for that reason, I'm not going to go through the entire list here, but as you can see, you'll have access to the top applications, entertainment applications, the latest update. All of those are included in this custom application store. For example, we go down into Essentials. Here, for example, we see ES File Explorer, a very popular application. I can click on download, and in a couple of seconds, we get the option to install it. I can click on install, and in less than 5 seconds, we've now downloaded this application and installed it onto my Amazon device. I can now click on done. If I now press the home key, just to show you that all new applications that you install through this custom application store, if you go back to your app library, the last application that you install will always be the last one in the list here, as we can see. If we go back to the custom application store, let's say I want to install something from this one here. Let's click on that. Let's say I want to go for this first one here, which is a very, very large custom application store. I can click on download. That'll automatically begin the download, and we can see in a couple of seconds, I can now click on install. And that's how easy it is to install applications, sideload them onto your Amazon device or Android TV. Takes a couple of seconds, just go through the list, go through those different categories, find the applications that you're interested in, and in a few moments, you'll be able to access the content that you're looking for. The only thing to mention that if you are going to be using certain applications to access certain content, I would recommend using a VPN just to ensure that nobody can monitor what you're doing. Your ISP can't track you, you can change your IP address and really just access content from all over the world. Right now there's a very special promotion for the VPN that I personally recommend. Total protection for unlimited devices. Doesn't matter if you have 10 Fire Sticks or 25 Android TVs and 4 laptops, all of your devices will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, change your virtual location, you can hide your online activities, you can access all of your favorite streaming applications wherever you are in the world. Really, to get all of that for just $2.19 a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. And they also give you those 3 months free. Using my link does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.